Whoa. Thanks. Pohaku. Anyways, this is their multi-tool. I got that first try, dude! Realize my mic isn't plugged in, so we're gonna do that, and we're getting into this right now. Hey guys, welcome to Stuff and Things. If you guys are new, my name is Gabe, and I make no BS, straight to the point, quick reviews to find the tools that you want for your EDC. So if that sounds like something you're interested, subscribe, because I pick up a piece of trash for every new subscriber. Basically, that incentive makes it a no-brainer. Alright, let's hop into the video. Alrighty guys, so now my mic is plugged in. Very cheap for a multi-tool, so I'm very skeptical that this is going to be a good tool, but hey, let's get into it. Oh, no. Alright, so we got inside of this little thing, we've got a box! We got this, I'm presuming that has the multi-tool in it. It feels very hefty. Also, there's only one other thing in the box. What is this? That's everything in the box. So now we've just got this. What is in this? Okay, obviously the multi-tool. I just had to figure out some way to change clothing. So open it up. It's a nice little pouch. It can go on your belt. It's pretty sturdy. We'll check that out later. Here is the multi-tool. Ooh, say ah. So first thoughts, it's not. I was worried because this is so cheap that like all the mechanics wouldn't be smooth. I'm actually kind of surprised. Thus far, these are my first reactions, and it feels pretty smooth. I'm kind of surprised. Pliers. Let's see what else we got here. To be fully honest with you guys, I don't even really know what's in this multi-tool. I just bought it. All right, we got. How do you get this out? Got a file with like a can opener or something. Can opener with a screwdriver on it. Oh. A rope cutter / skinning tool, a saw. Ooh, that's nice. Those always come in handy at the weirdest of moments. If you know, you know. Like they've either never helped you, or they were that one tool you needed, like in that moment, and either had or didn't have. And then of course, it's got a knife that actually like locks into place, which is really solid. Like most of the multi-tools I've messed with in the past, especially a lot of the ones from like Swiss Army, don't have that. So that's really nice. Just that normal like sliding lock. It's weird. Okay, so first cheap thing about it. I don't know if it's supposed to do that. Probably not, but hey, it's cheap, so thus far we'll look past it. Oh, and on the other side there is... Okay, so second cheap thing about this product. Kind of hard to get out this screwdriver. They did not really do that very well, in my opinion. There's just not much to grip onto there, if you can see. Like, you just have to kind of like grab the roundness, the round part of the head, and you know, try and work it out. So once you know what you're doing, you can get it out, but it's not super amazing. I wish they could have made that a little easier. Moving on to the pliers. I mean, they're just maybe not. They're not small. Maybe it's just the big handle that makes them seem small. I think they're good. I think they're solid. They actually do close at the tip, which is nice. I know some of my multi-tools don't quite close at the very tip. So at least I could get splinters out with this, probably, I think. We've got a wire cutter. I mean, all the stuff you would normally expect out of this is there. So yeah, first impressions of this, there's definitely some things that are not there, but overall, it's better than I was expecting for the price. Well, anyways, guys, these were just my first thoughts. Obviously, this video is just me unboxing it, showing you what to expect, kind of what I just think right out of the park. I'm just opening this up. Click on to my next video in the series because it's going to be talking about pros and cons, and it's really going to be able to narrow down whether or not this multi-tool is for you or a piece of crap that is not worth your money. I will see you next time. Oh, wait a second. Gotta give this to him.